done with our cash books and bank reconciliation. So we're going to start with our Sundry Transactions for May 2021. On your question paper, it's 1.13. So the first memo that we have, it's directed to Thokozile Molefe on the 1st of May 2021. The memo number is M5/1. These memo numbers, we use them as our reference. Memo number as M5/1. Now it says, Confi Shoes took a loan from West Bank to pay for the vehicle that they purchased. Confi Shoes wrongly posted this purchase of the delivery vehicle on the 1st of May 2021 to the supplier VW Manley. West Bank paid VW Manley the full amount on the delivery vehicle, and Confi Shoes owes West Bank the money for purchasing this delivery vehicle. Correct this accounting error. Record the transaction in a relevant journal. So this memo, the relevant journal for this memo would be Supplier Journal. It will be Supplier Journal. Now we go to the second one. Directed to Thokozile Molefe, date 25 May 2021. Stock taking took place on the 31st of May 2021. Now the relevant journal for this, it will be Inventory Journal. We're going to record this under Inventory Journal. Our reference will be M5/2. Next one, directed to Thokozile Molefe. It's M5/3. Record and calculate depreciation at 20% on the cost price of the vehicle for this period. Show the calculations in the description field. Round off to 2 decimals. Now we're going to use, for this one, we're going to use general since we do not have depreciation journal. M5/4. Transfer the closing stock. We're going to use stock journal. That was the last one. We're going to use stock journal. Now let's start. We go under process journals. Now the first memo that we need to record, we're going to use supplier journal. Now supplier journal, you still have transactions. You still have transactions from your non-stock invoices. So just simply update this journal page. Update so that we can start a new batch. Now before you start, we need to do settings, and then we're recording these transactions. Do we need to repeat descriptions? It doesn't matter, we're only going to have one. So amounts, they're inclusive of VAT. They're inclusive of VAT. So increment reference, we're only going to use one. Transactions, so no need to increase VAT. Close settings. Now it's 1st of May, meaning it's period number 3. Date, it's 01. Under GCS, we're going to have S for suppliers. Supplier affected, it's VW Manley. Now under reference, we're going to have memo number M5/ it's memo number 1. I won't be going back and forth to the question paper, so you guys will be doing those back and forth. That on your side, you'll check these transactions from your question paper, I mean to say. Under description, we are correcting error, so it's correct error. Now under text, we are dealing with an asset, so we're going to use 05 capital goods. Now under inclusive amount is 340,000, the price of the vehicle, 340,000. You'll find it in your non-stock invoice, 340,600. Now the account affected, the contra account will be loan, 5550 loan from West Bank. And then that's it. That's 7 marks. Yes, you have 7 marks. 1 mark for contra account, 1 mark for balance, which is 340,600, 1 mark for tax, 1 mark for description, 1 mark for reference, and then 1 mark for account. Also 1 mark for date. Now we move to the next one. The next one, M5/2 is inventory journal. Okay, so we'll need to close this. Then we go under process, inventory journals. Processing has occurred in the later general ledger periods. Do you want to continue? Just click yes, and then we'll change the period this side to period number 3, May 2021. We also need to do settings. We do not want auto increment. We do not want the repeat narration. We do not want repeat projects. So let's start. First, stock. It's Nike sneakers. Under reference M5/2. In quantity, we have 28. Number 2, men flip-flops. 28 also. Ugg boots, we have 38. Women flip-flops, sneakers, we have 27. Saint and summer sandals. Sorry, I selected a wrong item here. It's not men's, it's women's flip-flop sneakers. So allow me to delete that. Women flip-flops sneakers. I made a mistake. I had selected men's, not women. Total, it's how many? 27. Allow me to edit date also. It's not the 31st, but 25, 25, 25, and 25. I hope now I'm on the right track. Now, next one, we have Saint and summer sandals. We have 38. After this, we have kiddies sneakers. Kiddies sneakers, 14. We also have kiddies sandals. Kiddies sandals, quantity 25. We also have men flip-flops, sneakers, 22. $222. No, sorry, 22. And then our, remember, if you check on your question paper, you were not requested under batch listing. It was only supplier journal, also general journal and stock journal. They did not say anything about inventory journal, but later on they want an inventory valuation. So we're going to update only update our inventory journal. We're not going to print it. The printout was not requested, only inventory valuation was requested. So we click update batch, then we go under view, inventory valuation. Do not view them. inventory valuation for May 2021 for all stock. Then inventory valuation is using last cost price. Use the last cost price. Then click OK. This is the inventory valuation that you're going to print. Then let's close it. We are done with memo number 2. We go to memo number M5/3. We're going to process that under general journal. General journal, go to settings, repeat description no. And then now when we do general journal, we're calculating depreciation. Remember, depreciation does not have tax. So we're going to leave text processing unmarked. Then we click close. Now the memo, it's on which date? It's on the 31st. Memo M5/3, 31st. And then under GCS, we're going to have G for general ledger. Under account, we're going to select depreciation. Under reference, it's memo number M5/3. And then under description, remember they said show the calculation in description field, round off to 2 decimals. Now to show our calculations, our total amount for vehicle was 340,600. That amount already include VAT, so we need to do calculations without VAT. Remember, selling price exclusive of VAT plus VAT is equals to selling price inclusive of VAT. Now selling price exclusive is represented by 100 plus VAT is 15%, then total it's 115. Now when doing calculations, we're going to take 340,600. Okay, it has to be in double brackets, times, we're going to convert this from selling price inclusive to selling price exclusive. So 340,600 times 100, this is what we want, 100 selling price exclusive, divide by what's given, it's this selling price inclusive, so divide by 115, close brackets. So inside the inner brackets, we're converting the amount from selling price inclusive to selling price exclusive. Now times this amount, now we're looking for depreciation, times our depreciation is 20%, times 20%, then close the second bracket. So inside our double brackets, we are calculating depreciation using selling price exclusive of VAT. But then this 20% is per annum. Then we need to convert it to per month. So we're going to divide the whole thing by 12. We're going to divide the whole thing by 12. So let's do the calculations under our description. So it's going to be double brackets 340,600 times, we can use asterisk or X for multiplication, times 100, divide by 115, close the first bracket, times 20%, close the second bracket, divide by 12 months. That's how you do your calculation. And then total gives you how much? It has to be debited 4,936.23. Contra account, this is our motor vehicle. So we're going to search for motor vehicle. This time is not cost but accumulated depreciation. Then that's it. You print this with contrast. You print with contrast. That's memo number 3. After that, we go to memo number 4, stock journal. Stock journal. So we're recording stock journal at cost price, meaning it does not have tax. No? So we go under settings. It's this here, repeat description doesn't matter. You remove tax because we are using cost price. We're doing inventory valuation, so we use cost price, no tax. Now, memo date, it's on the 31st, period number 3, 31st. Under GCS is G for general ledger. Under account, we're looking for trading stock. Under reference, it's M5/ memo number 4. Under description, we are transfer of closing stock. It's an asset on the debit side. Now we're going to take total from our inventory valuation. From our inventory journal. So it's 210, 499 rand 19 cents, if I still remember correctly. Now our contra account, we're going to use closing stock. Search for closing stock, and then that's it. You print it. So yeah, that's how you do your sundry transactions. And then if you're getting confused which account to put under account, which account to put under contra account, we are doing double entry transactions. All accounts that falls on the debit side account, you record their account, and then all transactions that fall on credit side, you're going to use contra account. Under account, you record debit balances. Under contra account, you record credit accounts.